Hello guys, today we are going to talk about Facebook Pixel Helper extension for Chrome. It is used to test either the Facebook Pixel is working properly, it's recording events and tracking everything, and we use a Chrome extension to debug and test Pixel. I am your friend Murshad.
Please subscribe our YouTube channel, #SmartBrains, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you very much.
In a Chrome browser, please search for Facebook Pixel for Chrome and click that first link. This is Facebook Pixel Helper and please click on Add to Chrome. It will check either you are using Chrome browser or not, and then it will ask you to confirm you want to add extension. Just click on that and here we are. Facebook Pixel Helper has been added to Chrome. You can see on the bar on the right top, just here, this is the pixel icon. If you click on that icon, you can see the details of Pixel. On this website, there's no Facebook Pixel installed, so it's not showing, but I can show you on my other website. It's Cambridge iSoft website. I can show you. If you go there, you see there is a one event. It has already recorded. You can see in detail view counts, page view contents, button clicks, page views, etc. I can show you a little more detail when I'll click, and you can see that the number of events will change in the taskbar. Let's click on SEO technique and it will change from 1 to 2. See, it's changed. And if you click another link, it will change from 2 to 3. Let me show you. Now see, it's 3 now. So it is recording, and you can see the button click automatically detected because I have already implemented the tracking on those clicks and those URLs and everything. But I will show you in my other videos how to set those events for tracking. That's how we check Pixel is tracking and collecting data properly, and we can also check detailed parameters on any website that's using Facebook Pixel snippet on its website. If you have learned something, please do appreciate me by liking and subscribing my channel. Thank you.